For millions of people with ADHD, memory impairments, and attention deficits, a single interruption can mean losing their train of thought. This is why we created ReOrient, an app that remembers your work context and gives you insights about your digital work. So, in order to showcase what ReOrient does, we're going to run through a quick practice scenario. So we're just adding some tasks here on what we're trying to accomplish, as ReOrient also comes included with a task tracker. So we're working on some fake homework, trying to be productive, but then all of a sudden you get a text. So you might go to check it out and you're just texting back and forth. For this scenario, we decided to use the new Spider-Man movie as the distractor. You're just distracted looking about Spider-Man. Okay, so now after being distracted for a bit, you try to return back to what you're doing, but for whatever reason, you can't quite seem to remember what you're doing or make your way back. So what do? You can check ReOrient, and it keeps a copy of all of your saved workflows, what you're working on beforehand, so you can go check and pick up right back where you left off. You just got done your homework. What can you do now? You can go back to ReOrient and click that you completed that task, and then you can go on to whatever you wanted to do next. And in this scenario, it was actually finishing up this hackathon. Now let's say that you are done working on the hackathon, so then you go ahead and you click complete, and then you can go ahead and get an insight generated for that last chunk of work. So as you can see here, the insights show it recommends that you choose one thing to work on mostly and don't switch too much because we switched around a lot. And also it recommends that you mute your notifications because it knows that you interrupted your work to text that other person. You can also see here that all you need to do to start and stop tracking is click the little not tracking or tracking as enabled button. And every time you hit regenerate, it will go off what you have done beforehand. There's also a light and dark mode to make the website even more accessible. That is our project ReOrient, and in the future we hope to have this website hosted full-time so that anyone can use the website, and also just keep upgrading and adding more features. Thank you for watching.